Evie.
Hi guys, I'm gonna make Mommy some birthday cookies.
Right, shall we see what we need?
And subscribe to our channel when you're new. Give us a big thumbs up.
Yeah, right. Let's see what we need. We need to get our recipe book.
And when you're new, subscribe to our channel.
Okay. So, we need our big bowl.
Big bowl.
Got our scales here.
That's the scale,
Oh,
guys.
you're gonna disappear. We'll move that over here.
Hi guys, it's me.
Take out the fridge. We're gonna roll. Right, go on
The
then.
bigger now, you know, I'm really good. Mommy, maybe when it's my birthday, everybody going, I do a video too. And I want to know how big I am.
Maybe we can make your birthday cake.
Yeah, for me. I want a unicorn chocolate birthday cake, okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
Put a wee bit more flour.
yeah,
Our dough's a wee bit sticky, isn't it?
yeah. Hey, I
You can probably left it for quite a while, but
whoa. God, what do you think about this one?
maybe some sprinkles.
Okay. That one is for Granny. Ah! The frozen tastes good. I wonder what them tastes like. Bring God for no. gonna bring us. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Perfect.
We're gonna go and eat cookies now. You wanna say bye to everyone?
Bye, everybody.